Hi, Bob. How are you today?
Hello, Alice. I am very well, thanks. How are you?
I am good too. Bob, how old is your father?
He is 55 years old. How about yours?
My father is 52. Is your dad still working?
Yes, he is an engineer. What is your father's job?
He is a teacher. And how old is your mother?
She is 50. She is a nurse. What about your mom?
My mom is 49 and she is an architect. Do you have siblings?
I have one younger sister. How about you?
I have an older brother. How old is your sister?
She is 12. She is a student. Is your brother a student too?
No, he is 25. He is a computer programmer.
That is a great job. Does he live with you?
Yes, we all live together. What about your sister?
She lives with us too. Our house is very noisy.
Bob, do you have a grandfather?
Yes, I have two. How about you?
I have one. How old is your grandpa?
He is 75 years old. Is yours retired?
Yes, he is 80. He was a chef. What was your grandpa's job?
He was a pilot. He loves telling stories.
My grandpa loves cooking for us. Does yours have a hobby?
He loves gardening. He grows big tomatoes. Alice, how old is your grandmother?
She is 72. How about your grandma?
She is 68. Does your grandma work?
No, she is a retired doctor. What about yours?
She has a small flower shop. Is your grandma funny?
Yes, she tells great jokes. Does yours like music?
She loves singing. She is very energetic.
I love grandmas. They're so kind. Bob, are you an uncle?
No, I am not. What about you? Are you an aunt?
Yes, my brother has a daughter. She is my niece.
How old is she? Does she have a brother?
She is 3. She doesn't have a brother yet.
So you don't have a nephew?
No, only one niece. Do you want to be an uncle?
Yes. I want to play games with my nephew one day. Do you have an uncle, Alice?
Yes, my mom has one brother. How about your mom?
My mom has 2 brothers. They are my uncles.
Are they married? Do they have children?
One is married. My aunt is very nice. And yours?
My uncle is single. He is a photographer.
What about your mom's sister? Do you have an aunt?
No, my mom doesn't have a sister. Do you? Bob, does your father have any sisters?
Yes, he has one sister. She is my aunt. And yours?
My dad has 2 sisters. They are both teachers.
Does your dad have a brother too?
Yes, he has one brother. He is my uncle. And yours?
My dad doesn't have a brother. He only has a sister.
So you have only one uncle and one aunt on that side?
Exactly. My family is not very big. Alice, do you have many cousins?
I have 4 cousins. How about you?
I have 6. Are your cousins older than you?
2 are older and 2 are younger. And yours?
All my cousins are younger than me.
Do you play with them? What are their names?
We play football. Their names are Tom and Sam.
My cousins are girls. We love watching movies. Bob, do your older cousins have jobs?
Yes, one is a policeman. What about your cousins?
One is a dentist and one is a student. And yours?
The others are still in primary school.
Is the policeman cousin tall?
Yes, he is very tall. Is your dentist cousin kind?
Yes, she is very sweet and helpful.
It is good to have successful cousins. Alice, is your brother married?
Yes, he is. I have a sister-in-law. How about yours?
My brother is not married. Is your sister-in-law nice?
Yes, she is great. She is a baker. Do you have a brother-in-law?
No, because my sister is only 12.
Oh, right. My sister is married, so I have a brother-in-law.
What is his job? Is he a baker too?
No, he is a bus driver. He is very funny. Bob, is your aunt married?
Yes, she is. Her husband is very kind. And yours?
My aunt is married too. We call him Uncle. Is yours a doctor?
No, he is a lawyer. What about your uncle's wife?
She is a secretary. Is your uncle's wife nice?
She is very friendly. She always gives us candy.
My family calls her auntie. Do you?
Yes, we love our aunts and uncles very much. Does your brother's wife like your mom?
Yes, she loves her mother-in-law. How about your family?
My sister-in-law, wait, I don't have one.
Does your brother-in-law like your father?
Yes, he likes his father-in-law very much.
They go fishing together every Saturday.
That is a great way to spend time together.
Family relations are very important, Bob. Bob, do you look like your dad?
Yes, I have my father's eyes. How about you?
I look like my mother. We have the same hair. And you?
I have curly hair like my grandpa. Is your brother tall?
Yes, he is very tall. Is your sister short?
No, she is tall for her age. She looks like my aunt.
It is funny how we look like our relatives.
Yes, family genes are very strong. Alice, is your father strict?
A little bit. What about your father?
He is very relaxed. Is your mother strict?
Yes, she wants the house to be clean. And yours?
My mom only wants us to do our homework. Do you have a curfew?
Yes, I must be home at 10. Do you?
I must be home at 9 because I am younger.
Rules are good for a happy home. Bob, does your family have a pet?
We have a big dog named Max. How about you?
We have 2 cats. They are very lazy. Is Max energetic?
Yes, he runs all day. Does your brother like the cats?
He loves them, but they sleep on his bed. And your sister?
She plays with Max every evening. He is her best friend.
Pets are like family members too.
I agree. Max is my second brother.
Bob, do you want a big family one day?
I want 3 children. How about you, Alice?
I want 2 children, a boy and a girl. And you?
I want 2 boys and 1 girl. Will you have a dog?
Yes, definitely. And will you have a big house?
I want a house with a big garden for the kids.
That sounds like a very happy future.
I hope our families meet one day. It was nice talking about our families, Alice.
Yes, I enjoyed it. I know your family now.
Give my regards to your parents. Will you?
I will. Say hello to your sister for me.
I will do that. See you tomorrow at school.
See you later, Bob. Have a nice evening.
Goodbye, Alice. Take care of yourself.
Goodbye, Bob. See you soon.